One hand.
Yes, please.
All right, appearances on the People versus Austin Kitchens.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Mohammed on behalf of the court.
Yeah, my name is Abby Sapp, 12385669. On behalf of the defendant, Mr. Fisher, can you stand up as a the court, please?
Thank you. Are we ready? First witness.
Well, preliminary matter, I'm going to request a mutual order of sequestration with an attention to the officer in charge, Lieutenant Harris.
That's fine, Your Honor. I do have, Mr. Fisher's, parents in the courtroom, but they're not material with this.
No problem.
Judge, for our first witness, we call Mr. Kevin Kitchen.
All the way up front, sir. Watch your step on the incline ramp. Raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth today? Have a seat right here. Was that a yes? All right. Settle in the chair. When you're ready, Mr. Muhammad.
Mr. Kitchens, can you please state your full name for the record and spell it?
Captain Michael Kitchens. Kitchens.
Thank you, and sir, if you can just speak a little bit louder so the microphone can pick up what you're saying.
Okay.
Thank you. Sir, I'm going to take you back to the date of February 12, 2026. Were you at or near the location of Inkster and Ecorse Road?
Yeah, right.
Is that located in the city of Romulus, County of Wayne?
Yeah.
And what were you doing at or near that location?
I was in the middle lane turning, about to go on the freeway.
And were you inside of a vehicle at this time?
Yes.
And who were you inside of the vehicle with?
My nephew, Austin Kitchens.
And where in the vehicle were you seated?
I was the driver.
And you indicated that you had been with your nephew, Austin Kitchens?
Yes.
Do you see that individual here in the courtroom today?
Yeah.
Can you please point to that individual and point out an article of clothing that person is wearing?
A white, a tan and brown flag shirt.
Noted for the record.
And did something happen between you and your nephew on that day in that vehicle at that location?
Yeah.
What happened?
We're arguing, and all of a sudden he just choked me.
And can you describe for the judge how he choked you?
He coughed and just went like this.
In your honor, please let the record reflect that the witness grabbed his hand in a manner consistent with choking with one hand and took it to his neck. Can you demonstrate to the judge?
Went like that.
One-handed only. Noted for the record. Counsel, could you see? I'm sorry.
Like that.
Oh, thank you.
And what did he do when he placed his hand around your neck?
Started choking me.
And did you have trouble breathing at that point?
Yeah.
How long was he choking you for?
Couple seconds. Can't believe how.
And did you sustain any injuries based on that action by the defendant?
Fire.
Did you develop any red marks around your neck?
Yeah.
Your Honor, may I approach the witness?
Sure.
Sir, I handed you what's been marked as People's Proposed Exhibit number 1 and number 2. I'd like you to take an opportunity and review those two exhibits. Do you recognize those photos or the contents within those photos?
Yeah.
And what does it appear to be? An exhibit number 1 and an exhibit number 2.
Red mark.
I'm sorry, I can't hear you.
With red markers.
And is that a fair and accurate depiction of the marks you had sustained on the day in question as a result of the defendant's conduct?
Yes.
Do those exhibits 1 and 2 appear to be altered or manipulated in any way?
No.
Your Honor, at this time, I'm moving to evidence People's Proposed Exhibit number 1 and 2.
Ms. Atwell? Those will be admitted. Thank you.
Thank you, and I'd like to publish the court. Sir, you indicated that you had trouble breathing. At any point during the choking, Did you lose consciousness?
No,
And did you ask him to stop?
from that, I think he was like, oh,
So what did you do when he was choking you? What were you doing?
I was just stunned.
I'm sorry?
I was stunned.
Done with what?
No, I was stunned that he was choking me
And at any point, did you feel in fear?
a little bit.
And what were you feeling in fear of?
That he's crazy.
Do you know why he was choking you?
Because we're arguing.
Did he make any statements to you while he was choking you?
I really don't remember. Have to go back.
Did you contact the police? Why?
Because of what he did.
And what is it exactly that he did from your point of view?
So he,
Did you sustain any additional injuries besides what you testified to?
no,
You received treatment at the hospital?
no,
Nothing for you. Thank you.
Mr. Edgewell, you're a witness.
I just want to get some clarity on the timeline first. This happened on what date?
February, I don't know what day. Where he said February,
In February. What time of day?
it was at nighttime.
Night. And what time of night?
If I would guess, I would say maybe 2, 3 o'clock in the morning. I know it was like, probably like. My house like 3:46, 4 something. For a job.
I'm sorry, you said at 3:30?
4:46.
And is that AM or PM? AM, so this is happening probably 3 AM, 4 AM?
Yeah.
And where is your house?
Around the top of this road.
And you stated that you were driving, that's her, right?
Oh, I was leaving the lane.
So you were in motion, no,
No,
what kind of car is this that you're in?
you know, so that's anything.
Is that your vehicle?
No,
Whose vehicle is that?
I'll leave your calls.
What company?
I work for Generations
That's a vehicle, correct?
for,
So you are in the driver's seat, right? You say you're in the vehicle, it was right. And then Austin is in the passenger seat.
for,
You stated that he reached over with his right hand,
I believe,
so he would have had to be fully turned. So he had to fully turn.
yeah, his back was against that or,
His back was against the dashboard. So he was out of his seat,
not out of it, like forward to it.
and you went to a gas station after this.
Got pulled into the gas station.
Did you do anything at the gas station other than have Austin in the vehicle?
That was weird.
You then called somebody. And you went to another location, finished the run.
Yes,
Where did you go after?
on the police station.
Oh, I'm sorry, let me clarify. What location was that you went to?
To pick up, or you know,
And Is that where you went?
Where did you go from the gas station? Where did you go from the gas station?
Oh.
Where did you go after that?
My job, I had to shoot the speed.
And where was that scene?
I don't know what city it was, but it was like maybe 30 minutes away.
And then you went to the police station, right?
Right.
What time was it when you made it to the police station?
I don't recall.
Is it still dark out? Was the sun coming out? Do you recall?
Like probably 5:36.
You spoke to the officers, right?
Right.
And the pictures that have been submitted to evidence, did you take those yourself?
Um,
What time did they take?
I was on the same time I got there. 3-4, and
And they had to go out to the car to take those pictures?
no, it was no police station. And I think one of you that.
Yeah, the best you can. Thank you.
They're both there, 1 and 2.
So can I,
No, that's what it is.
may I?
Yeah.
And I'm going to show you exhibits 1 and 2 again. These photos, exhibits 1 and 2. Did you take these?
Yeah,
When did you take those?
I took them right after him.
Thank you. So you took those yourself, right?
They told me to send them to.
And you took. And then other pictures were taken at the police station later.
Correct.
Sounds like about an hour later, about that. Did you communicate with anybody about this afterwards?
What do you mean?
Did you talk to anybody about this incident afterwards? And have you talked to anybody else about it since?
Not really.
Before the situation in the car, you had communicated with Austin that night, right? And you ready for them.
I agree.
I'm going to object. I don't see how that's relevant as to the allegation of whether or not the defendant committed assault with intent to do great bodily harm. This is, I think, her question even phrased prior to the vehicle incident, so I just don't see how that's relevant to this case.
Response?
John, I think how the parties were behaving and arguing the same night of an assault accusation is quite relevant.
I'll allow it.
So before you picked up Austin, you had communicated, right?
Yeah,
And you're saying said him.
at the time, I was upset when I was in before he came over. Austin was late, 30-something minutes. First time I was on the job, that was unacceptable. I would yell at someone. I would yell. I was gonna yell at my boss.
So you were irritated, angry, frustrated by the time Austin said, right?
Little bit, but not angry.
And did you leave him any voicemails or voice notes before?
Probably.
And did you characterize yourself as upset when you sent those?
Yeah,
So you were angry before he got in the car?
Upset.
And you two were arguing in the car, right? You say this all happened pretty fast, right?
Yeah.
And it was a bit chaotic. Is that fair?
Yeah.
One moment. I have nothing for attention.
Very briefly, Your Honor. Sir, in regard to those two exhibits that were published to you earlier, the red marks inside of those exhibits, did they exist prior to the incident with your, or did it happen as a result of the incident with your nephew?
The result of the incident.
And what specifically, was it the choking?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. And the second thing is on cross-examination, defense counsel had asked you some questions in relation to the exact date of this incident.
Yeah.
And correct me if I'm wrong, but we can't recall with certainty,
I am,
with certainty.
yes.
And on the day in question, did you write a witness statement?
Yeah.
Do you believe having an opportunity to review that witness statement would help refresh your memory as to the exact date of this incident?
Yes.
Your Honor, may I approach the witness?
You may.
Sir, I'd like you to review that document, and once your memory's been refreshed, the exact date of this incident, let me know.
You both want to.
Thank you. Nothing further.
One and two.
Sure.
Mr. Kitchens, you and the prosecutor just spoke about the red marks on your. And you stated you didn't see those marks before this incident, right?
Yeah.
And had you been looking at your neck prior to this incident?
No, I would have to look at my neck prior.
And that's, it's going to seem like a good silly question, but bear with me. What were you wearing that?
Actually, this shirt,
After were you wearing a tie?
yeah.
And
But no, I don't have the first one button on time. That's what you're going with.
Don't anticipate, just wait for the question.
so you were wearing a collared shirt with a necktie.
Yes.
And that is done up to about the same point on your neck, so above the collarbone and halfway up the neck. Is that
Well, like right here.
fair? It wasn't unbuttoned a line. And the photographs, exhibit 1 and 2. The red markings across here are then below the collar line, if we're to show, right?
Okay.
And so the marks are below the collar line of that shirt. And you're pulling down the shirt to show it,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
So they're actually somewhat below the neck. That fair?
Yeah.
Sorry, thank you. Nothing further.
So you step down, watch your step on the incline ramp. Any other witnesses, Mr. Mohammed?
No, thank
Any defense witnesses?
No.
Ready for argument.
you. Only reflected a question of fact for the trial that I'm going to reserve any response to this evening.
Yeah, I'm asking that the court deny bind over. I don't believe that its elements for strangulation have been met. The exhibits provided by the people, in my opinion, is questionable whether there are really distinct red marks, but saying that there are, they appear to be somewhat below any area where strangulation could be involved. They're below the collar line, they seem to be collarbone level. And the testimony seems to bear out that this was a very quick and chaotic incident. So your Honor, I think that the element for strangulation has not been met to a probable cause standard.
You're welcome.
Your Honor, I believe the testimony is sufficient for proving probable cause. The testimony in this case by the witness was that he had trouble breathing. So not only did the defendant in this case choke the victim, but it was to the point where the victim had trouble breathing. And not just that, we have two exhibits that demonstrate the amount of force that was used that left red marks on this individual, the victim's neck. So I believe at this point, what's been established is probable cause, and so I'm going to request for a binding order.
Thank you. I agree. Probable cause is a low standard. I think it's been met today. AOI date is going to be the 21st at 9 a.m. Bond will be continued. I wish you luck downtown, sir. Anything else? Oh, Mr. Kitchens, last time you and I saw each other, I told you I'd talk to you today about the money you owed us. Are you in a position to get some kind of payment plan on that $276?
So I don't.
Can you make some kind of commitment? So much per month?
20 hours a week, maybe.
Yeah, but that means you're coming in every week. You really want to do that, or you want to do it online? How about if we do $40 every 2 weeks? You sure? Do you want to do it now? Downstairs, thank you. Good luck downtown. Thank you, counsel.